that's the finished product. It's good for white wines and goes along with sweet chili sauce and vinegar with chili. Vegetable spring roll with white wine and 2 choices of sauce. Enjoy! Hello mga ka-lifestyler, mga lifestyler. Andito tayo sa kitchen. Oh, pwede ba akong mag-English? Kasi request ito mostly talaga ng mga kasama namin sa work, sa hospital, to do a cooking vlog. Kasi gusto nilang magluto ng mga Filipino foods. Kasi minsan nagdadala po tayo sa work, tapos nagugustuhan nila. So ito, isa sa isang mga paborito, ang lumpiang gulay. O sa kanila is vegetables, spring rolls. So okay, hello guys! Hi lifestylers! We are here in our kitchen and now requesting for a cooking vlog. Here is it now. So we have our cooking bowls, spring rolls. Okay, so I will enumerate one by one all the ingredients, and then now I'm ready for cooking. I prepared them already, so I'm just going to stay there and keep on watching. See you around. I'll be busy cooking. I've washed my hands already, so I am ready for cooking. Okay, so my pan is already hot. So I put a bit of oil. I put a bit of oil, of olive oil. Yeah, olive oil. Okay. So you have to saute your garlic until it's brown. You can also add now the onions. There we go. So as you can see, yeah, that's your onions. So you can smell how nice it is while you're okay. Tapos na onion. After the onions, you can put your minced beef. Yeah. So you can either use minced pork or minced beef or a mixture of it, or whatever you like. Flavor, like if you want seafoods, then you can put the seafoods that you like. Okay? So I've washed the minced beef. Okay po. So you cook it until brown. Beef. Cover. Make sure that your beef is cooked. Okay? Because it's a meat, so it needs to be properly cooked before you put your veg in. Okay? Oh, smell nice. So I guess it's cooked now, beef. So it's all brown now. So we're ready to put our vegetables for our vegetables spring rolls. So I've already washed the veg, yeah?
Smells nice.
Yes, look at this. Look at that. So, orange because of the carrots. Yeah. Madami, yeah. It's a lot, let's say. So, our 40 pieces with this spring roll wrapper might not be enough, but we'll see. It'll be enough, okay? So you make sure that the minced meat will be properly distributed with the vegetable, properly mixed with the vegetables, yeah? So that when you wrap it, at least it's not one portion that a lot of meat and one portion that's no meat. So make sure that it's evenly mixed. Okay? Then at this point, you can add up. Your salt. Yeah. So it's all up to you. What is your preference for the taste? Yeah. Put some black pepper. Okay. Black pepper. Then you mix it again. You mix it evenly. So make sure that you don't overcook the vegetables. Remember, you're still going to fry the spring rolls, okay? So make sure that it's not overcook your veg. That's why we make sure that the minced beef is cooked properly. Alright, because the vegetables, you don't need to cook it or make it overcooked. It should only be just right. Okay, so at this point, we can cover the veg and leave it for about 2 minutes, okay? Hi! Mga lyfstyler! Hello! Andito na tayo, magbabalot na po tayo ng ating lumpiang gulay or our vegetables spring rolls. So, we'll do it, okay? Watch and learn. So, make sure that the vegetables that you've cooked, you have to take all the water on it, and you make the vegetables let it cool a bit before you wrap it, okay? So you put your wrapper like a diamond so that on the side it will be like covered, yeah? So you put like an exact amount on where you think that it will be enough to be covered by the wrapper, yeah? So after that, you do the first bit here first, yeah, to cover it. push it a little bit inside, then one at the side, then one at the side, yeah, and then you roll it gently. Okay, then we have a beaten egg here. It's a beaten one. This will be used to seal our edge, to close it properly. Okay, so you roll it, and then at this end you hold it like that. Use your finger and try to, if you don't want to be, you know, using your finger, then what you can do is use a brush. Yeah, you can use a brush to spread the egg. See? And that's it. So, one. Okay. So, you'll be enjoying wrapping. It's a stress reliever as well. As far as I know, as far as I experience, I'm enjoying wrapping it. So you put as evenly as you can. Yeah. Put down. Push a bit in. One end, the other end, and you roll it gently. Yeah. It's almost at the end. Hold it like this, and then put the edge. Seal it, and that's the second one. See? I'm learning. Good. So that's how you make vegetables spring roll. So the what's this? The meat spring roll, which is the small one. Then you use a smaller wrapper. Okay. So again, third time. One end, push it in. Okay, on the sides. On the sides. Then roll it. Go. That's it. Third one. There, now it's golden brown. Remember, don't burn it. Okay, so if it's golden brown, what we did, I always put the kitchen towel on the plate so that it will absorb the oil. Yeah, we don't want an oily what's this? Vegetable spring roll. So it's golden brown. Look at that. That's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. That's perfect. Yeah. I'm so happy. There you go. So, our vegetable spring roll. Thank you. Hope you learned something. Bye. Ta-ta. God bless everyone.
Familiar.